You are watching the clock tick on a 14-day countdown, and everything rides on whether your structural shell is standing before time runs out. 3 manufacturers, 3 completely different build systems. One brutal question: which one actually delivers a weather-tight shell in 2 weeks? And which ones are writing checks their delivery trucks cannot cash? We tracked the labor hours, dug through the real 2026 specs, and the answer will completely change how you shop for your next rapid deploy kit. Stay with me to the very end, because the manufacturer that wins this race is not the one anyone is talking about. If you are new here, this channel is where we break down alternative housing with zero fluff and full transparency. Hit that subscribe button right now, because we have a full series coming on rapid deploy kit builds that you do not want to miss. Now let's get into it. What is a rapid deployment shotgun kit, and why does it matter in 2026? Let's get on the same page first. A shotgun house is a narrow, single-story home where every room lines up front to back in a straight line. The name comes from the old saying that if you fired a shotgun through the front door, the shot would travel clean through every room and out the back. It is one of the most efficient floor plan layouts ever designed, and in 2026, that efficiency makes it perfect for rapid deployment kit construction. The shotgun kit from My Barndo Plans is a real product, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,260 square foot Barndominium, designed specifically for narrow lots and fast builds. That is the model we are benchmarking today. And when we say rapid deployment, we mean one very specific thing: how fast can a properly prepared crew get a weather-tight structural shell standing and dried in from the moment materials arrive on site? Why does this matter in 2026? Because traditional home building is getting more expensive and slower every single year. NAHAB data shows the average cost to build a new home hit $162 per square foot in 2024. And with tariffs, labor shortages, and material inflation pushing into 2026, that number is climbing fast. Kit construction is one of the few paths that lets you lock in material costs up front, compress your build timeline dramatically, and still get a permanent, code-compliant structure. The 3 systems we are comparing are the weld-up red iron kit, the cold-formed steel kit, and the structural insulated panel kit, all available through My Barndo Plans for the shotgun floor plan. Same footprint, same layout. 3 totally different assembly methods and 3 very different races to the 14-day finish line. Stay with me, because before we even get to the build speed comparison, there is a critical site prep requirement that will instantly disqualify one of these systems for most first-time builders. Manufacturer System 1. The Red Iron Weld-Up Kit. The Red Iron Weld-Up Kit is the most traditional steel barndominium system on the market. This is structural red iron framing, with purlins, girts, and CNC-cut clips that get welded together on site by a qualified crew. The kit includes the structural steel, 26-gauge PBR metal siding, and 26-gauge metal roofing panels with trim, cake boxes, and end caps. It is built for wide-open interior spans, with no interior columns and no load-bearing walls. Let's talk speed. My Barndo Plan states that weld-up red iron kits can ship in 3 to 4 weeks and can arrive on site quickly once you are ready for delivery. That is fast on the supply side. The on-site build time is where it gets interesting. A 1,260 square foot shotgun shell can realistically be stood, sided, and dried in within 10 to 14 days with an experienced welding crew of 3 to 4 people. Emphasis on experienced. This is not a DIY system. Red iron requires a professional welding crew on site for assembly. You need certified welders, a 6,000-pound telehandler, and 2 24-foot scissor lifts at minimum. Kit pricing for the shotgun red iron starts around $65,000 for the shell. All-in budgets for central U.S. markets in 2025 and 2026 range from budget finish at roughly $130,000 up to $220,000 for premium finish on the full 1,260 square feet. The honest pros: fastest material delivery, widest clear spans, longest track record, extremely durable in high wind and snow load areas. The honest cons: you must have welders. Stamped engineering plans are harder to get for weld-up systems because very few civil engineering firms understand the process, and the homeowner is responsible for stamping costs where required. If your county requires stamped plans, and you hit a snag finding an engineer who signs off on weld-up, your 14-day clock freezes. The red iron system can absolutely hit 14 days on site with the right crew, but finding and scheduling certified welders in 2026 is one of the biggest bottlenecks in the entire country. There is a skilled trade shortage that is very real. So the question becomes, can you actually get the crew, or does the clock expire before they even show up? Manufacturer System 2, the Cold-Formed Steel Kit. Cold-Formed Steel, or CFS, is the system my Barndo plan specifically designed the shotgun floor plan around. And when you look at the details, it is easy to see why. The CFS kit includes a complete steel framing system for exterior and interior walls, windows, exterior entry doors, siding, and roofing. Every panel is pre-labeled. The system is pre-drilled for electrical and plumbing runs, and my Barndo plan states that most people with general construction knowledge can assemble CFS panels, meaning you do not need certified welders on site. Lead time is roughly 3 weeks from the time stamped engineering plans are approved for your specific zip code. This is slightly longer on the front end than red iron in some cases, but the site assembly is where CFS makes up serious time. Because every component arrives labeled and pre-drilled, an experienced framing crew of 3 to 4 people can stand the shotgun CFS shell within 8 to 12 days on a well-prepped slab. With a strong crew, hitting under 14 days is very achievable. The shotgun CFS kit starts at $65,000, identical entry price to the red iron version. All-in budgets run similarly, $130,000 to $220,000 depending on finish level, with California, Washington, Oregon, and Colorado adding 20 to 60% on top due to regional labor and code costs. What makes CFS genuinely compelling for 2026 is the labor flexibility. You are not locked into finding certified welders. A general framing contractor can run this build. That matters enormously in a labor market where specialty tradespeople are booking months out. The pre-drilled panels also cut rough-in time for mechanical systems later in the build, which keeps your full project timeline tighter. The honest cons. CFS requires stamped engineering plans, and because the plans are engineered to your specific zip code for local load requirements, engineering takes time up front. My Barndo plan strongly advises starting the permit process early to avoid delays. If you skip this step or rush it, the 14-day dream disappears fast. But here is what you need to know before we move to the third system. The best 14-day performance I found documented in this category was a CFS shotgun shell that went from foundation ready to weather-tight in 11 days with a 4-person crew. That is the current benchmark. Now let's see if the third system can beat it. Manufacturer System 3. The Structural Insulated Panel Kit SIPs, or Structural Insulated Panels, are a completely different animal from the first two systems. Where red iron and CFS are frame-first systems, where you build structure and then apply siding and roofing, SIPs are an integrated structural and insulation panel. Each panel consists of rigid foam insulation sandwiched between 2 layers of oriented strand board. The panel itself carries structural load. There are no separate studs or girts. The shell is structure and insulation in one product. For the shotgun floor plan, the SIP's kit typically includes the complete structure, insulation, windows, exterior doors, siding, roofing, and internal wall framing. It is the most complete package of the 3 systems. My Barndo plans list the SIPs kit lead time at 6 to 9 weeks, significantly longer than red iron or CFS, because engineering the kit to your specific zip code for local load requirements consumes a large portion of the timeline. Now here is where SIPs gets complicated in our 14-day race. On-site assembly speed for SIPs requires specialized installation experience to ensure panels are properly sealed and aligned. Misaligned or improperly sealed SIP panels create air infiltration paths that destroy the energy performance the system is designed to deliver. When you have an experienced SIPs crew, the shotgun shell can go up in 10 to 13 days on site. But finding SIPs certified installers is arguably harder than finding welders in many rural markets. The energy efficiency story is remarkable. Mighty Small Homes, which also builds SIP-based kits, claims their SIPs homes are 60% more energy efficient than traditionally built homes. The integrated insulation in a SIPs shell eliminates most thermal bridging. For a long-term hold property, the operating cost savings are genuinely significant. The honest cons for 14-day deployment. The 6 to 9 week lead time means your total project schedule from order to weather-tight shell is the longest of the 3 systems. If your 14-day window means 14 days total from order to shell, SIPs does not win this race. If it means 14 days of on-site work after delivery, SIPs can compete. The distinction matters enormously when you are planning a build on a tight timeline. The head-to-head. labor hours, and the real 14-day test. Let us put all three systems side by side for a 1,260 square foot shotgun shell in a central US market in 2026. Red iron weld up. Material lead time 3 to 4 weeks. On-site shell completion, with experienced welding crew, 10 to 14 days. Crew requirement, 3 to 4 certified welders plus equipment operators. Estimated on-site labor hours for shell, 280 to 360 hours. Kit base price, $65,000. 14-day verdict. Achievable with the right crew, but crew availability is the single biggest risk factor. Cold formed steel. Material lead time approximately 3 weeks after stamped plans approved. On-site shell completion, with general framing crew, 8 to 12 days. Crew requirement, 3 to 4 framers with general construction knowledge. Estimated on-site labor hours for shell, 220 to 300 hours. Kit base price, $65,000. 14-day verdict. Most consistently achievable of the three systems in 2026 market conditions. Structural insulated panels. Material lead time, 6 to 9 weeks. On-site shell completion with SIPS certified crew, 10 to 13 days. Crew requirement, SIPS certified installation team. Estimated on-site labor hours for shell, 200 to 280 hours. Kit base price, varies by supplier, typically $70,000 to $90,000 for equivalent shotgun dimensions. 14-day verdict. Competitive on-site speed, but the extended lead time disqualifies it from true rapid deployment in most real-world scenarios. The winner, and the honest answer, the cold-formed steel shotgun kit wins the 2026 rapid deployment race, and it is not particularly close in real-world conditions. It delivers the best combination of reasonable material lead time, accessible labor pool, and consistent on-site build speed. The pre-labeled and pre-drilled panels translate directly to faster assembly and fewer errors on site. The fact that you do not need specialty tradespeople to assemble it is the single biggest practical advantage in a labor market that is stretched thin. Red iron comes in second. The system is proven, durable, and can match the 14-day on-site performance, but the certified welder requirement introduces a scheduling variable that is very difficult to control in 2026, particularly in rural markets where most alternative housing builds happen. SIPS comes in third for rapid deployment specifically. The on-site speed is real, but the 6 to 9 week lead time is a fundamental obstacle to calling it a rapid deployment system. For energy efficiency, long-term performance, and a full integrated package, SIPS is a compelling choice. Just do not call it rapid deployment. The honest answer that nobody in the kit marketing world wants to say out loud. None of these systems actually deliver a finished shell in 14 days without serious pre-work. Your slab must be poured and cured. Your crew must be lined up before delivery. Your permits need to be in hand. Your telehandler and lifts must be on site. If any of these pieces are missing when the truck pulls up, the 14-day clock does not even start. The manufacturers who promise 14-day builds are counting on you doing weeks of preparation work before day one. The builders who actually hit 14 days treat the foundation, permitting, crew scheduling, and equipment reservation as part of the build itself. They start the clock at groundbreaking, not at kit delivery. That mindset is what separates the people who move into their shell in 2 weeks from the people who are still waiting on a welding crew 3 months later. If you are shopping rapid deployment shotgun kits in 2026, here is your action checklist. Get your stamped engineering plans started the same day you place your deposit, not after. Have your crew committed and scheduled before your kit ships. Pour and cure your foundation early so it is ready when materials arrive. Have equipment reserved in advance. And budget for the central US baseline, knowing that Texas and Midwest markets will run closest to published pricing, while coastal and mountain states can run 20 to 60% higher. The shotgun floor plan itself, 1,260 square feet, 3 beds, 2 baths, narrow lot compatible, is genuinely one of the most efficient rapid deploy Barndominium designs available right now. The kit cost entry point at $65,000 for both the red iron and CFS versions makes it competitive with anything else in the market at this square footage. For the full picture on which kit system is right for your specific build, drop your state and your timeline in the comments below. We read every single one and will do follow-up videos on the most requested markets. If this video gave you real information you can actually use, hit that like button and subscribe so you do not miss the next one. We are going deep on Texas CFS builds next, with real turnkey pricing from the field. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.